I'm thirsty. I don't normally like purple, but really? Are you serious? It's good. Someone's calling me. So worth the wait. Tape. I feel like there's only 3 things that a guy with a car would do with tape. He's either 1, he's gonna paint it. Number 2, he's gonna tape his buddy's door shut till he can't get out. Or 3, he's installing something and he's gonna line it up where there's gonna be cutting involved. To be completely honest, I don't know if I have to cut it anymore. I've already cut. Seeing how Casey had his wide body done, it looked like he cut off about the same amount as me. The only thing I'm worried about is the trimming, basically around the back part of the bumper and then the front bumper as well. Now keep in mind, we picked up a whole new bumper the other day and I don't really want to cut that. Hopefully we don't run into any issues. Why the duct tape? Well, because it came in with a gloss coat and I have a feeling I'm probably be able to polish any leftovers this may leave behind. So I'm gonna use this to actually hold on the kit since I'm still waiting on hardware to come in. Tape, let's do this. So yesterday I basically also did a little extra little bit of thing when I went over to James's house because that happens to be where all my tools are. So what I did was finish the pieces that I needed to actually fit all the wiring, tubes, and hoses and stuff. So as you can see there, we're actually good to go. I just need to get this put together, put this in the trunk, and then we can get the air set up. Thing is, I'm not really in any hurry to jump on this part, so at least I'm just gonna throw this inside the car, and at least we can mock up the wide body, because that's what I'm here for today. Let's throw this in the back and get this thing taped up. So I've taped it up, it's all ready to go. I really need a wider angle lens, I'm sorry. I'm gonna fix that. So taped it all up, so basically ready to do some test fitting. I'm gonna do some measurements between the body line and where the cut is on both sides so that we're good to go. Nobody's ever done this kit before, so at least nobody's done a video. So this will be an official, yeah, I wouldn't say how to, but how I decided to put together this Angry Acorns design wide body kit for the VA, aka 2015 and newer WRX/STI body. So I'm going to do it the way I know how to do it, kind of adjust the way I can. I talked to Cody, I believe that's your name. I talked to him about it. He sent me some preview pictures of how it's supposed to look, so I'm probably gonna use it as a reference on my phone. But besides that, I'm going to put it on, kind of duct tape it over the masking tape that I have here. That's why I went so high. But also I really want to see the body line. So if you're wondering why I didn't do the blue painter's tape, is because 1, the car's already mint. It's hard to contrast it. It's just easier on the eyes if it's brown. 2, this is mostly see-through, so I can see right through it, see the body curves, see the body lines if I need to, and there's no questioning where something might be. So that is way better for me in the long run, which is a great thing to work with. As soon as you get the test fitting on, everything looks good there, I really want to actually throw on the bumper that we had, because that is the thumbnail right there. So I want to get that on. I'm gonna leave the tape. I don't care if it looks bad. It's not even wrapped yet, so I'm not even gonna worry about it. It's all mock-up for what is going to be, and I'm so excited to see what this looks like because I've never seen this in person. I don't think anybody on the West Coast even has it besides me. I might be wrong about that, but that's the hype I've been given, so that's what I'm kind of going off of and going with. Let's start mocking it up. I'm sorry for another time lapse, but you know how it goes. This is fucking sweet. Oh my God. I don't think 2019 is ready for this. I don't think it is. This is so fucking insane. It's shit like this, it's moments like this that I absolutely fucking live for, because every single modification that you make to make something look that much cooler that you've been dreaming about, and being able to have it in front of you, is the best feeling in the world. I know it's just mocked up, but if you've ever worked on a car before, you've ever done a mod before, you know exactly what this is going to look like, and you're gonna be just as excited as I am. Oh my God. It looks so fucking good. Oh my God. Just the cutout. I haven't even put the front bumper on yet. That's how, can I even, hold on. I can't even get to the front of the garage to get the right angle I'm looking for, because that looks so fucking good. Angry Acorns, you my boys. You fucking killed it. I think I need to do a little bit of cutting right here. This is sticking out way too much, so I think I need to, I might even need to, like, I think when I push this in over here, this will push it to the line of the wheel well. I like how I already have it cut, so I already have kind of a setup. I might need to do some more cutting here, which is pretty fucking normal, because I think I cut it to the edge here. I might do a little bit more. You know what? There's one more test. Hold on. Let's see. Let's see if this works. Okay. That's gnarly. Oh my God, yes. This is gonna be some thick booty. This is gonna be some booty. Oh my God. Okay, instead of fangirling over this kit, I'm gonna throw on the front bumper that we just got from Casey. Here's the biggest challenge, is seeing if these front pieces right down here are actually going to cover the Varis side grills. That is the biggest concern, and is actually one of the problems that I think Dustin Williams has with his Crown Carbon? Carbon Crown. Crown Carbon. Carbon Crown? One of those two. I Google, it'll come up. His body kit, which was actually the one I was going to get until I found Angry Acorns, got a hold of the owner and the designer and the person who made it, and I really hope it's Cody. I'm pretty sure it's Cody. That's your name. And we've been just doing emails. I haven't met you in person, but dude, you fucking rock. You're awesome. I hope you see this video as soon as it's done. We actually have this thing put together. I am talking so fast because I'm so fucking excited right now. And I worked a 12-hour shift today. So that's saying something. I want to get this on, and then we'll see how much fabrication we're actually gonna have to do as far as getting that onto there with that piece going over that side grill, because honestly, I think this might actually work. Oh, just barely. You know, I think I might be able to make it work.
2 hours later.
Well, I decided to give up on the bumper, because when you buy a rep, it doesn't really always go on easy. So it's been 2 hours and I can't get this thing on myself, so I'm gonna get a hold of Casey, because he was able to drive it back from Vegas with it on. He said he had 140. I gotta find out how he got it on, because honestly it looks like my bumper, like the actual metal bumper, is keeping it from actually even going on the car. At least I got a sneak preview of what it looks like. I cannot wait to get started. So until then, until I figure out more, at least we got to see what it looks like on half the side, and at least what we got down later on. I'm going to try and put the wheels on and get this thing on the ground in about 2 weeks. So hopefully I'll have the airlift fittings in there, the trunk setup will be done. I know these vlogs are a little bit scattered of just incomplete jobs and everything like that, but I at least wanted to see how it would look mocked up. As far as the installation goes, I'll do it another day. Honestly, the front bumper thing frustrated me, and I want to relax. I want to go watch some YouTube. I'm going to go watch some of my favorite YouTubers out there, just because I love doing this. It's just so much fun. But it also motivates me to keep going. So I think I'm actually going to sit down, wrap this stuff, and watch. We will see. Thank you guys for watching. I love you all. Stay humble and have a great night.